Hey guys, Bob Berman here, Chief Health Hacker at NeuroFit. So what do we do at NeuroFit? We use and combine guided visualizations with sound frequencies. That combination is amazingly effective at reprogramming, rewiring your brain, taking advantage of the brain's capacity to change. The concept of neuroplasticity, or the idea that we can teach old dogs new tricks. We at the clinic have curated 3 types of frequencies to do that: sound, light, and electromagnetic frequencies. What we've done online is we use sound frequencies in combination with another tool that has been developed for us in collaboration with Dr. Cliff Saunders, who's a PhD in cybernetics, which is the engineering of the brain, and he has curated a series of guided visualizations. And those are sort of hypnotic trances almost, where he's talking to you, actually your subconscious mind, and then underneath that we have embedded specific evidence-based frequencies that facilitate that process. In other words, opening your subconscious mind to new possibilities and thereby rewiring your brain for greater clarity, greater focus, greater happiness, and all the other benefits that come with that mind-body balance connection that is optimized by the combination of these 2 tools: guided visualizations and sound frequency, which is a form of sound therapy. So until next time, this is Bob, in peace, out.